So, hi guys. I cut my bangs yesterday and it's already short now. My gosh, my face is literally oily and so sticky like
Hindi
this.
kaya tumangat-ngatin ang ano ko? Baunan?
You have a lot of sugat na painting. Dami niya sugat oh.
Malaki nga lang itong gamit na to.
Ay, inom pala muna ako.
Oh my god, it's another day at work. I almost cry, but I have to be stronger. Oh my god, it's another day at work. I almost cry, but I have to be stronger. Somebody tell me how we're
Okay,
gonna
we
do
already
this.
have our ulam for our lunch time. It's a paksiw, but I'm gonna fry that fish because my sisters really want eat the fried fish, so I'm gonna fry that. Also mine. I really love the fried fish, but I also eating the paksiw actually. I'm gonna fry it already. Hey guys, we're here at Mang Inasal with my family. We're just waiting our order to come. We have soup here. I'm gonna taste it.
Nabayad yan. Kapalit na ako ni Grace, Mrs. Schneider.
Bray, mamaya na, lobat ako. Okay lang ba? Minsan na.
Tingin dito. Ma!
Ayun, pangi ako.
Nag-soft drinks ka?
Pero manghingi ako ng tubig.
Sa kabila. May soft Pinipito siya gagi. Uy, paano? Kaya buksan ng tissue. Kaya mo. Hindi yan na. Pagkali ko. Ano yan ako? Teka lang.
Okay naman mukha mo.
Yung ano, nakanain.
So, malabo ang aking camera. Okay, let's go to the our sideline job. We're going there. It's quite early, 6:19 a.m. And we're going to our silent job.